In this video, you will learn about various shape editing properties. You can control how shapes look and behave in a design through various properties. Let's look at some of these properties. The fill style for the selected shape is solid. Change the fill style to crosshatch. You can select different patterns for the crosshatch style. You can specify if the voids appear combined or separated. Additionally, you may change the thermal relief values for a selected shape. You can also choose how pins and vias with the same net name as the shape should be connected to it. A net can also be added to a shape as an attribute. That brings us to the end of this video on how to control the look and behavior of shapes through properties.